Hello viewers, welcome to another health video. Today we're going to learn 7 causes about brittle nails and 8 tips to avoid or cure them. Before we get into the details, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Do share the video if you think someone else can get benefited from this. First, let's learn how it happens. Everything from aging to poor nutrition can make your nails dry, thin and easy to break. There are also some treatments and medical conditions that can make them brittle. The right care can make all the difference in keeping your nails healthy and strong. The first cause is too much moisture. When your nails get wet, they swell. When they dry, they shrink. If your hands are in water a lot, especially if you are also using harsh soaps or detergents, this constant change can dry your nails out and make them soft and easy to peel. The second cause is age. As you get older, your nails may dry out and grow more slowly. Toenails usually get thicker and harder, while fingernails get thinner and easier to break. There is no specific age when this happens, and it does not happen to everyone, but it could be the cause for your brittle nails. Third cause is Raynaud's syndrome. It is a condition that affects the blood vessels and keep your hands and feet from getting enough blood. This makes it hard for your nails to have what they need to stay healthy. Brittle nails are a common symptom of Raynaud's syndrome. The fourth cause is low thyroid levels. Sweat is your body's natural moisturizer. Low levels of the thyroid hormone called hypothyroidism lessens how much sweat your body makes. The result is drier hair, skin and nails. Along with brittle nails, you might have other symptoms like aches and pains, fatigue, weight gain and memory problems. The fifth cause for your brittle nails could be anemia. The most common cause for anemia or low blood cell count is not enough iron in the blood. It can happen when you lose too much blood. You can also get it if you don't get enough iron in your diet or have a condition that keeps you from absorbing it. Anemia can make your nails brittle or cave inward in the shape of a spoon. The sixth cause of brittle nails can be cancer treatment. Brittle nails can be a side effect of some cancer treatments like chemotherapy. Dry skin and nails are common. They may become thin, break easily, and grow more slowly than normal. The seventh and the last cause discussed in this video is not enough nutrients. Rarely, brittle nails can mean you're not getting vitamins and minerals your body needs. For example, low calcium level can cause scaly skin, dry hair and brittle nails along with muscle cramps. Now, let us learn 8 tips to avoid brittle nails. First tip is wear gloves. An easy way to protect your nails from too much moisture or harsh chemicals is to put gloves on when you wash dishes or clean the house. Choose rubber gloves that are lined with cotton so you'll sweat less. The second tip is take biotin supplements. A few small studies show that taking a daily dose of biotin can thicken and strengthen nails. High amounts might have some side effects. Check with your doctor to see if it is okay for you to try it. The third tip is avoid artificial nails. Acrylic nails, the kind a technician glues onto your natural nails, can do a lot of damage. A nail technician has to file the surface down to get them to stick, which makes them thin. Chemicals in the glue make them weak. Avoid this beauty routine if you are dealing with brittle nails. The fourth tip is eat more protein. When you get enough protein, it boosts the amount of keratin your body makes. Keratin is a protein that builds your hair and nails and makes them stronger. To find out how many grams you need a day, multiply your weight in kilograms by 0.8 grams. The fifth tip is keep your nails short. Trim and file your nails regularly to avoid and repair damages. You should cut them straight across with sharp clippers or nail scissors. File them into a slight curve at the ends. The sixth tip is coat with clear polish. Certain polishes with nylon fibers in them may strengthen your nails and keep them from chipping or splitting. Try a once a week application, but avoid acetone based removers to get it off, which can damage your nails. The seventh tip is put on lotion. Lotions with alpha hydroxy acids or lanolin can be helpful for brittle nails caused by dry conditions. Soak your nails in water for 5 minutes before you put it on. Last and final tip number 8 is don't use nails as a tool. Do you like to pop open soda cans or other containers with your nails? Give it a rest. Reach for other objects instead so you're not destroying what strength your nails have. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.